Gonna get some oil on these bearings. We didn't know.
I already oiled them. This off my arm would be nice.
Alright, make sure that piston's inside of those.
Yeah.
It was inside there for me. I don't know what your problem was. It worked just fine for me.
Just stretch them open a little bit.
Yep.
Is that what you would have done to get it in there? No, you can't, right? You gotta
Wrist
pop it.
pin.
Yeah.
Pull it out.
I'm like, you gotta take it off.
You can pull the wrist pins on the piston.
Right, and just pop them off the top.
Did we just do this?
Deja vu?
Moments ago.
See if we strip another one.
No, don't say that.
There's a whole bunch of bolts left in here to strip yet.
Yeah.
There's probably like 10 different
When I go home, Tatro sits down here. He goes, watch this. It's over cranks them and shit when I leave the building. Like, watch this. I'll get him.
I did my race bike. Over 20 years, I finally replaced most all the threads with heel coils. It's been a play about 1,000,000 times, so. Okay.
Round 2.
I don't see that little key. No, it's what it is.
What are you looking for?
See, where's this rag at? You got the case is still full of shit. You got to wipe the case down. You can't have any goo on it. No liquid.
Went all the way around twice. I was on camera. There it is.
It's all full of liquid. When the goo does not stick to the case, it's got something on it. See, now it
Man, that
sticks to the
stuff smells
case.
so good.
It does.
Stuff sticks to the case now.
He pissed me off. I was pouting. I was going to leave. I fucking took my heads back out to the truck.
Yeah.
I got one head in here still. We'll get one on before I even go get the other one. We get that far.
If we get that far. The hardest part of the motor is the oil pump.
Yeah. Thank goodness we didn't do that one again. If we would have machined out the cases, we'd have been pulling the oil pump.
We had to pull it if we did that.
Why is that such a pain in the ass?
Just all the pinion and everything, getting the clip, and it's got all these tiny little keyways like this inside that cavity, and that's a big one.
Oh.
The other ones that go inside that cam chest that run the oil pump drive gear, they're half that size.
And they ought to all be right in the right spot.
Yeah, to keep them perfectly, they're half moon. You got to drop them in, and then you got to level them, and then you have to tip them just a little bit to get the gear on, but you have to tip it the right amount because it doesn't grab it and push it up out the other side, and you can't see it. So you're working blind. You got a pick hook.
Okay, you got to hold the rods up because I'm holding the case up. Where you want it?
Good enough.
Okay, we're in. Some studs. Those first. We just did this, didn't we?
Feels like it, doesn't it?
Okay.
One of the long ones pinged out there. me spin it this time.
No. Nope. I'll do it.
What motor is this, Billy?
It's easy.
89. 89 cubic. It's out of a 90 FXR. So it's 90 cubic by a 4 5/8 stroker with fat, regular size pistons. They're 5 over, they're not big.
Turns. It's always a good sign when the crank turns when you tighten it up. I just want to go in.
Grab the 1/2 inch impact. Run it up. God.
Okay. They're tight this time. Check the torque.
Yeah.
Check the torque. Good low.
Yeah, the little butterfly's got some kick for sure, 100%.
Appear to be tight.
I'm gonna do the camera and cylinders first.
Always do the cam first. Okay, let me clean this up a little bit. Look at that.